Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I wanted to make a video on what a bad wheel bearing sounds like and how to diagnose it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this vehicle up to speed. The left rear wheel bearing is definitely bad. You'll be able to hear it here in a minute once I get it up to about 30 miles an hour. You can hear it. It kind of sounds like an airplane taking off or a whirling noise. That's the best way to describe it. And as you're driving, if you turn the wheel to the left or the right and the noise gets worse, that's a telltale sign that you have a bad front wheel bearing. This one happens to be the left rear because we've already replaced the right rear a while back. And I did have somebody drive around with me in the back to listen to it. And that whirling noise, that growling noise, whatever you want to call it, I like to describe it as an airplane taking off. It's coming from that left rear wheel bearing. But at the very least, I want to make a video on what that sounds like. So I'm going to get a little bit faster here. So that's what a bad wheel bearing sounds like. I'm going to go ahead and get this vehicle back home and jack it up and take a look at the bearing and show you guys what's next. All right, so now that I've got the vehicle safely lifted and supported by a jack stand, I'm going to go ahead and shake down the wheel. If there's play all the way around, that's a telltale sign of a bad wheel bearing. So if I go ahead and shake this, I do feel a little bit of play there, a little bit of play there, and a little bit of play there. So the hub on this wheel bearing is definitely loose. So we're going to go ahead and replace that.